Good morning. I'm Anton, CEO of TON and KCARD. Today I'm excited to introduce TON Bridge, the world's first protocol that brings external liquidity into the TON ecosystem. While other solutions work exclusively within TON's boundaries, we've built a global liquidity bridge that connects TON to 200-plus blockchains and major centralized exchanges. TON Bridge solves TON's critical liquidity problem by aggregating both CX and DX liquidity sources. Unlike pure DX aggregators that struggle with large transactions, we provide fixed-rate swaps with zero slippage, even for multi-million-dollar trades. This means institutional investors can now buy TON at scale without moving the market against themselves. Our journey began in 2022 when we identified a fundamental challenge in the TON ecosystem. While the network grew rapidly, liquidity remained trapped within isolated pools. In 2023, we developed our multi-chain bridge technology in partnership with key industry players. By 2024, we successfully integrated with major centralized exchanges to access deeper liquidity. And today, in 2025, we're proud to launch the complete TON Bridge solution supporting over 200 blockchains. We identified three critical problems facing TON adoption. First, liquidity fragmentation. TON's DEXs simply don't have enough depth to handle large transactions. When institutional investors try to buy $500,000 or more in TON, they face 12 to 15% slippage, effectively losing six figures on a single trade. Second, multi-chain complexity. Users with assets outside TON must perform multiple transfers, from Ethereum to TON to USDT, paying fees at each step and waiting 15+ minutes for completion. Third, unpredictable pricing. Every existing aggregator, Ston.fi, DeDust and Swap.coffee, offers dynamic pricing that changes between transaction initiation and confirmation, creating unacceptable risk for serious investors. Our solution addresses these problems through three clear objectives. First, we create global liquidity access by combining the depth of more than 10 major centralized exchanges into the TON ecosystem, solving the depth problem for institutional investors. Second, we enable true cross-chain swaps. Users can now directly swap assets from 200-plus blockchains without intermediate conversions, saving $30+ in fees and 15+ minutes per transaction. Third, we fix the slippage problem once and for all. Our protocol provides guaranteed fixed rates for transactions of any size, eliminating the 12 to 15% losses currently suffered by large TON buyers. TON Bridge delivers value through four specialized services. Our core software protocol aggregates CX and DX liquidity with real-time price optimization across 200-plus blockchains. Our institutional onboarding service provides dedicated support for funds and institutions integrating TON into their portfolios, including OTC capabilities for the largest transactions. Our ecosystem growth initiatives partner with the TON Foundation, centralized exchanges, and major projects to expand TON's liquidity network globally. And our market intelligence service monitors liquidity conditions across 12-plus exchanges in real time, optimizing trade routing to ensure best execution every time. Our growth strategy focuses on four pillars. First, institutional focus. We're targeting crypto funds managing $5 million plus with dedicated OTC desks and custom API integrations. Second, CX partnerships. We're integrating directly with major exchanges to establish sustainable liquidity pipelines into the TON ecosystem. Third, global expansion. We're prioritizing the MENA region in partnership with IGNite, while simultaneously expanding into Asian markets with native language support. Fourth, community education. We're running workshops on institutional-grade TON trading to demonstrate the 12 to 15% cost savings our protocol delivers. Our addressable market is substantial. The total available market for TON trading is $2.1 billion. Within this, our serviceable addressable market, institutional trading volume, represents $850 million. And we're confident in capturing $185 million of this within our first 18 months. Our customer segmentation is clear, 70% institutional investors, 20% active traders, and 10% DeFi protocols seeking reliable liquidity sources. The liquidity gap in TON is widening. While the ecosystem has grown 300% in 2024, DX liquidity has only increased by 70%. This structural imbalance creates 12 to 15% slippage for large transactions. All existing solutions, Ston.fi, DeDust, and Swap.coffee, only aggregate internal DX liquidity. TON Bridge is the only protocol connecting TON to global CX markets. The result? For a $1 million USDT swap, TON Bridge delivers 485,444 TON, while competitors provide only about 455,000 TON, a difference of $63,000 in value per transaction. TON Bridge has a team with in-depth knowledge of both traditional finance and blockchain technologies. I am Anton, CEO and founder, who has worked in the cryptocurrency industry for over 8 years and has experience in managing liquidity for organizations. Tony manages the development of our business, having extensive connections in the Middle East and Central Asian markets and centralized exchanges. And Sonia, our technical supervisor and the link on the partners side. With their team, they have created systems that process a daily transaction volume of more than several $1 million in several blockchains. We're ready to partner with IGNI to bring institutional-grade liquidity to the MENA region and beyond. You can reach us at www.tonbankcard.com or info@tonbankcard.com. Our TON Bridge protocol is already live as a Telegram mini app, the fastest way to experience zero slippage TON swaps from any blockchain. In conclusion, TON Bridge is not just another DX aggregator. We have created the first protocol that truly integrates external liquidity with the TON ecosystem. For institutional investors, this means predictable pricing and high liquidity. For the TON network, this means sustained growth based on real capital inflows from outside the ecosystem. We believe that the future of blockchain is not in building walls around isolated ecosystems, but in building bridges that connect them. Thank you for your time.